So what do you do when you have extra mint lying around the house? Well, we make a mojito, so let's do that today. Start with 8 to 12 mint leaves. Pick out some good ones here. Give them a little clap and throw them into a highball glass. And then we're gonna follow that right up with some freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce. And then the secret to any good mojito, just the right amount of simple syrup. I love to use 1 ounce. If you like it sweeter, you can add just a little bit more. All right, gently muddle that in the glass. You don't want to break these leaves apart and have those chunks in your drink. Add ice up to the top of your glass. And now 2 ounces of your favorite light rum. I love Plantation 3-Star, but use your favorite. And now we'll top with sparkling water. If you have club around the house or something else, use that. That's what I do. I love it when a drink comes together. All right, I'm gonna add some lime wheels, just to add a little flair to the drink. And then gently stir this all together. Add a straw and you've got a drink as beautiful and refreshing as the Cuban sunshine. Till next time, everyone, it's Jeff from Tiki Drinks at Home.